SHIB has been looking absolutely ready to go parabolic. It basically looks like the Dogecoin chart without the 2024 range high break and impulse move. And I've been putting a lot of updates in the EPIQ Trading Floor about this too. This is an update I put about 11 minutes ago of the actual cup and handle that's starting to break out. If you're not in the EPIQ Trading Floor, I would highly suggest going and checking that out. You can click that link above, click the link in the description, or go to epictradingfloor.com. You can get a 3-day trial that gives you access to everything and you won't get charged for 72 hours. So it is risk-free. Everything on SHIB is looking great. You have this cup and handle formation. It's a continuation pattern. Everything looks very juicy. From a Fibonacci perspective, you even landed and played within the 7860. That gives it a very high probability to go to take profit 3. Now we played out this handle, which is also a bull flag continuation pattern. Once we got to this bottom zone down here, when I zoom in, you can see that there is a hidden bullish divergence that's popping up, which means you're going to get higher lows on price action and lower lows on the oscillators. So MACD and CCI are getting lower lows. And at the exact same time, you have an inflow of volume, which would be a divergence. Nobody's really talking about this right now because it hasn't popped off, but I can tell you once this breaks out into, let's say, the 0.0004 range or 5 range or 6 range, everybody's going to be talking about it when it's too late. That's usually how it works for projects like this. But at the end of the day, you broke out perfectly. The Epic Golden Pocket was even tested and confirmed in this handle breakout. Now, if this did want to test all the way to take profit 3, which it easily can, that's going to put you at 0.0008 range. And that can be in one strong Fibonacci impulse move, which is about a 237% move from current price. And that's a realistic expectation because if you look at the Doge chart, notice that it looks pretty similar without that range high break from 2024, like I was mentioning. Now, if you're looking from the current prices in Doge, this went up over 200% from give or take the estimated range that SHIB is currently sitting at. So this is currently one of my favorite trade watches going into 2025. I think this one is a sleeping giant. And like I said, if you're not in the EPIQ Trading Floor, I would highly suggest going and checking that out. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section. If you learned anything in this video, hit that like button. And I hope everyone has an amazing day. And I will see you on the next one.